Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to become an eBay seller and start your own online store. Now let's get started. First of all, use any browser that you like and search for www.ebay.com. It's over here, tap on it. This will open your eBay homepage. Make sure that you have already signed in, and if you haven't, register to create an account. Once you have logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page. And over here you can see a sell section, and here's start selling. Tap on it. Now you will be directed to the page where you will set up your seller account. To create a seller account, you need to list an item. For that, tap on list an item. Enter the name of your item in the search bar. For example, I want to sell a t-shirt. You can also use this option to be more specific, but right now I'm leaving as it is. Once you have entered the item's name, tap on this magnifying glass. Tap on it. Then you will be asked to match the item. Like if your item resembles any of them, you can match them. I'm continuing without match. After that, confirm the details. Here's an option for new with the tags, new without tags, new with defects, or pre-owned. Mine is new, so I'm tapping on new with the tags. Then tap on continue to listing. To complete your listing, you have to provide photo and video. Let's go through it one by one. First of all, upload a photo of or video of the item. Upload from the computer. I'm choosing any photo that I have. Choose the photo. Now rename your title. I'm keeping as it is. Now there's an option for item category. You can edit from here too and add a second category too. Once done, tap on done. Now here's option for item specifics. So here you have to enter the required item specifics. Tap on the drop down, and over here you can choose the brand, unbranded, Glidden. There's a lot of option over here. Tap on the option that suits your item. I'm keeping it unbranded for now. There's two sizes. You can edit the size type 2, regular, big and tall, etc. Then there's an option for size. Choose the size over here. Let's keep it XL, and here you can see an option for the color too. Tap on the color of the t-shirt that you are going to sell. Let's keep it black for now. And here's department for whom the product is dedicated to. From here, let's keep it man for now. There's an additional option, UPC. Here's a type, theme, fit, and self length. And if we tap on summer, there's character family, pattern, country origin of manufacturer, neckline, features, material, vintage, perfect type, essence, and many more. Fill them up as this is original. I'm keeping it as it is. UPC over here is universal product code, and t-shirt, and fill all the details. I'm leaving it as it is. And here's condition. I have already chosen the condition before, so I'm keeping it as it is. Then here's the description section. Right here, describe the item in a way that attracts the customers. I'm keeping it. Here you can see an option for use an AI description. Tap on it, and it will write the description for you. And you can see your pricing section over here, so you can either keep it auction or buy it now. For auction means people can bid for it and get at the price that they want, and buy it now means it will be the fixed price and they have to buy in the mentioned price. I'm keeping it buy it now right now. Here enter the item price. You can also keep it mandatory to require immediate payment when the buyer uses buy it now. Here edit the quantity, keeping it 5. Here's an option for allow offers too. If you turn it on, the buyer can negotiate the price. If you want them to negotiate the price, turn it on, and if you don't, simply turn it off. And here's add a volume pricing. This means if there's a buyer who want to buy in a bulk, you can provide a discount from here. If you want to provide discount when the buyer purchases more than one item, toggle it on. And here's an option for schedule your listing. You can schedule your listing from here. If you want it, simply toggle it on. Here's a 3 shipping method, so I'm keeping it as standard shipping right now. And here's package weight, package dimension, which is optional. You can keep it if you are very sure about it. Then here's an option for domestic selling. Under domestic selling, you can see a cost type. That means same cost regardless of the buyer location, or cost varies based on the buyer location. Let's keep it same cost regardless of the buyer location. We can add the primary service too. I'm keeping as it is. And here's preferences. You can edit your preferences from here. Right now it's 3 businesses handling, item location Nepal, and no returns accepted. You can edit it from here, edit as you prefer. And here's promote your listing. This is something like ad. If you run the ad, it promotes yourself. So if you want it, you can turn it on, and here's two options over here. First is reach more buyers and sell even more. You can choose the option that you prefer. And there's an option for charity. If you want to donate some amount that you have earned, you can turn it into. And after you have done all of it, list it. For that, tap on list. Your listing will be set as a draft. Then you will be redirected to your seller registration page. Select get started. And here it is. At first you have to connect your Payoneer account. Then sync your profile and add the financial info. Then after adding financial info, you will be taken to a submit registration info. And after filling all of this information, you will be able to create your seller account. And that's how you become an eBay seller. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.